What's up, everybody? I know I got a new apartment in Toronto and I haven't given you guys a tour of my apartment yet. However, I am in Colombia and we're staying at a pretty cool penthouse. So I want to go ahead and give you guys a nice tour of this, one of the sickest Airbnbs, sickest penthouse I've ever stayed at in my life. And I've stayed at some sick places, okay? So got my boy Armando on camera right now, helping me out. So let's get started with this tour. So we're gonna start right here in the, what do you call this, the deck? You can talk, bro.
Yeah, it's the deck, the view of the city.
Yeah, so anyway, so first of all, we got our own private hot tub right here. The view from up there is unreal. I mean, we can even go up there right now. As you guys can see right here, we got our own private hot tub, and the view from here, you basically see literally all of Medellin. Watch your head right here, but just point it out over there. So, literally guys, we almost got like a 360 view of Medellin right here. Medellin, Colombia. Out of all the places I've ever traveled to, this has been one of the craziest places when it comes to nature. Honestly, everything. And show them more of the views actually. Like, look at that. There's 360. You literally see everything, and right now it's sunset. So, you know, you get to see some nice shit right now. Anyways, let's go back down. But yeah, right now the deck, you know, got a nice chill area. It's a big group with us right now, so we can just chill here, vibe, you know, drink some shit, whatever. We also got a barbecue right here in this penthouse. We haven't really used it because we eat out, because, you know, we're here for like 4 days, so what's the point of eating out? That's the barbecue area. Again, better views. There's more like this. Like, what the fuck? Who's gonna use that, right? Who's gonna use that shit? But we're still here. Anyways, I want to show you guys the sickest bedroom I've ever seen in my life. So this whole floor is one bedroom. So this is the king's bedroom right here. So you got the, you know, you got the bed, of course. You got, I don't even know what the fuck you call that, but you got that, right? You got this shit right here. But not only that, you got your own fireplace that we're not gonna turn on because I don't want to burn this place down. But you got your own fucking 360 fireplace right here, along with your own living room. This is unreal. So you got your own living room in this area. So, you know, if you don't want to chill with the boys downstairs, you come and just chill in your own living room, because you just, I mean, you're living like a king at the end of the day. So now let's go downstairs. So there's like I said, this is a 3-floor penthouse. Let's go to the second floor, or the 19th floor, and show you more of that. Right here, this is our living room. I guess you can say this is our, like, one of 3 living rooms. You know, nice couches, a TV that we'll never use. But another crazy part is we got another balcony here overlooking Medellin again, like I said. You know, you guys can, so far we've just been chilling here talking business because we all entrepreneurs. So just overlooking a nice view. That building right there, one of the sickest buildings I've ever seen. And also show them this one. So this, apparently what our Airbnb host told me, is that J Balvin owns, so this building right here, J Balvin owns the whole building. This dude is big in Colombia and he owns the whole building. But overall, you guys can see the view. It's unreal. It's honestly one of the sickest views I've seen, and this is only one side of the balcony. Let me take them to the I guess the room. I don't want to show other people's room, but I'll show you guys my room. You guys can go ahead and follow me. Nice kitchen that we never use. We actually have maids come in the morning and make us breakfast. So that has been pretty clutch. You know what I mean? Let me go ahead and show you guys my room right now. This is my bedroom. Is there not another light? I don't ever see it. Anyways, this is my bedroom. We'll just honestly just show like around here. This is my bedroom. A lot of pillows, a couch, a TV, a walk-in closet. We got a very nice, clean bathroom right here. With my shower that I can, you know, my shower got a view, man. What the fuck? Like, my shower actually got a view. And let's see if we go back there, there's a balcony as well, but I honestly, like, it's just, I've never been there, so screw that balcony. So honestly, fuck it, I'll show you guys my balcony. It's my first time going on my balcony, actually. So, got a pretty nice balcony, you know, not bad. Oh my god, never mind. It's a really good view from my balcony. I haven't even used this yet, but look at this. We got I guess the other half of Medellin right here. Not as good as the penthouse view, of course, but it's still something. I wouldn't mind waking up to this view every day, if I'm being honest with you. However, I want to now show you guys the last floor, the 18th floor, to round out the penthouse tour.
Pulling up my pants, you know.
My friend Conrad right here.
Part of the package.
Airbnb God, you know what I'm saying? Come on, don't fuck with us.
We're taking over Colombia.
Taking over everywhere. Bali, Colombia, Tokyo. Can't even name cities. So to go to the last floor of this penthouse, we gotta go down these stairs. I forgot to mention, you actually, like, it's one of these pimp ass cribs where you just take your elevator up and you go to your room. It's not like one of those broke shit where you have to, you know, you have a hallway, right? Like, you're living like a pimp here. You open the elevator, it's your crib. Anyways, welcome to the crib, the 3rd floor, I guess you could say. The living room is definitely nicer in this one than the one upstairs. This is where the maids come and cook us breakfast every day, cook some good shit, even do the laundry. And honestly, all the other rooms are sick, but it's other people's room and I don't want to show the other rooms. So I guess we can wrap up the video right now because, you know, there's some pimp shit in this video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm gonna make an apartment tour for my new apartment in Toronto. I know you guys have been waiting for that. You guys always ask me, yo, where the fuck's the Toronto apartment tour? So don't worry, that's coming because you know, I still like changing some shit around. But when I do make that video, I'll let you guys know. Thank you for watching this video. Peace out from Colombia.